In this video, we're going to show how to add IP addresses to an IP group, just in case your computer is not on the same subnet as the devices in the room. This will require that you know what the device IP addresses are and what subnet they're on, so you can select the right subnet to see the devices. Our first step is to go to the Online Device tab at the bottom left of your screen. It shows we have 0 online devices. This will take us to the online device screen, and you'll see a tab on the top of this screen labeled Add by IP. When we click on that tab, you'll have a new window that opens, and this is where the work begins. First thing is you need to name your IP group. For this demo, we will use SAI Remote Lab. Once we name the group, we will begin to add our IP addresses. Again, you'll need the IP address for each device that you want to see. There are two ways you can do this. You can have the list of devices in a .csv or .txt file and click the Add File link, or you can type each IP address one at a time. Since I have not created a file with the device's IP addresses, I'll need to type them in. I'm going to pause the recording and add my IP addresses. You now see that I've added 12 IP addresses, and once I select Add, you can see the SAI Remote Lab group has been created. All we have to do is open that group, and we'll see the IP devices start to populate the online device list. We can see that we have 12 online devices shown on the Online Device tab, and we can see that our red circles with an exclamation point have now disappeared, and we can see all devices online. One nice thing about the Online Device screen is we can double-click on a device or on a room. Let's double-click on Small Conference Room 1, and we'll see it takes us back to the live Small Conference Room 1 under the Routing tab. Again, an easy navigation feature. If you create your IP group and select Save and see nothing in the Online Device screen, you may have to go to File in the upper left-hand corner and select Designer Preferences. This will take us back to the Designer Preferences screen, where we may have to select the right network interface card that your subnet is on. Once you select the right network interface card, you should see the Online Device tab go from 0 to the number of devices you've entered IP addresses for. That's it. Creating an IP group is easy and gives you the ability to see devices on a different subnet than what your computer normally is on.